Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve Android System WebView has stopped problem on your Android phone. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list and scroll down and click on Android System WebView. Tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete, tap on three dot icon, tap on reset app preference and click on reset app. Hopefully in this way you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.